Beyoncé and Jay-Z have 3 children, Blue Ivy Carter and twins Rumi and Sir Carter. Here are a few cute stories and moments involving them. 1. Blue Ivy's award speech asterisk. At the 2021 Grammys, Blue Ivy made headlines when she became the second youngest person to win a Grammy Award. She won for her contribution to the song, Brown Skin Girl. During her acceptance speech, she was so adorable as she thanked her parents and celebrated with joy, showcasing her confidence and charisma at such a young age. 2. Rumi and Sir's birthday party asterisk. Beyoncé and Jay-Z threw a spectacular birthday party for their twins, Rumi and Sir, when they turned 3. The couple created a whimsical, enchanting atmosphere with a theme inspired by the children's favorite stories. The event featured beautiful decorations, fun activities, and plenty of cake. Beyoncé often shares glimpses of their family celebrations, highlighting the love and creativity they put into making their children's lives magical. 3. Blue Ivy's dance moves asterisk. Beyoncé has shared videos on social media of Blue Ivy showcasing her dance skills during family gatherings. Her impressive moves and natural rhythm have been a source of pride for Beyoncé, who often encourages her children to express themselves through art and music. It's heartwarming to see Blue Ivy channeling her parents' talents in her own unique way. 4. Family outings asterisk. The Carter family enjoys spending time together, whether it's going on vacation, attending events, or simply enjoying a day at the park. Beyoncé has shared sweet moments on Instagram, showing her children playing and laughing together, emphasizing the importance of family bonds. These stories reflect the warmth and love within the Carter family, showcasing how Beyoncé and Jay-Z nurture their children's creativity and happiness. Blue Ivy Carter is already showing signs of having a variety of talents at such a young age, and given her background and environment, it's exciting to consider what other talents she might develop. Here are some possibilities. 1.